Welcome to Estoria Royal Hotel in Udaipur, India. There's a lot of things that we really like about this hotel, and I want to show you the building. Okay, this right here. So the first thing you have is you have a lovely freezer, which is super handy when you can buy vegetables, fruits, and cream that you use for your coffee. Then we have, what's interesting about this kettle is if you're trying to make coffee in the morning and the light is off, you have to turn the switch on. See the light up there? The kettle is attached to that light, so the light has to be on for the kettle to work. I learned that once. Here we have our thing, and we have a safe, which is always handy in a hotel. And what I found fascinating, I love it, beside the bed on both sides, we have these switches. So this is a master switch. This is a switch for something else. I don't even know what that one is. And oh, another master switch. And you can plug in all your charging stuff. And I think you could do it with this one too. And if you noticed, bedside lights, which is very handy for reading at night. So we also have a TV, which we never use this time. We have this lovely bed, and you probably are not going to get this many pillows unless you ask for them. Considering I broke my shoulder and I had surgery, I had to sleep sitting up for a while, and still do. So 2 chairs, which is very handy because Dean and I actually played games on here. We spent a lot of time in this hotel room. Okay. You know what? We have stayed in some places that have sea views and pool views and beautiful, light views. And when we look out at this, I am amazed, and I just am so intrigued with the way that Indians are so resilient. That's a garden down there, and this is a garden over here that they are planting. We watch them put their laundry out. We've watched people over here bath themselves. Well, not that we were watching them bath themselves, absolutely not. But, and there's an outdoor toilet, so there's no running water there. We have just watched so many things in the, I think we've been here for 10 days. Yes, it's just an amazing, you know what? I have been fascinated to be able to sit here and watch, and it's been amazing. Oh, and of course, this room has an indoor bathroom, which is lovely. This bathroom is very modern. Look at this. Actually, there is also a window here, but for privacy, you keep the drape down. But it has a handheld. It has a beautiful, beautiful shower head, rainfall shower head. It's big enough if you need help having a shower because you have a broken shoulder. It worked very well. And of course, it has a toilet, which is good. Great flushing too, my gosh. We have those water savers in Canada, and this one just swooshes it. We have a little niche here, and of course a bum gun, and a telephone if you need to answer the telephone in the bathroom. Lovely sink, and it has a hair dryer, which is interesting because try to dry your hair. Try to dry your hair with one hand. It's interesting. Anyway, this is the Estoria Royal Hotel.
Great views.
The people have been incredible here, and we so appreciate it. Yes.
Hey, well, here we are at the Estoria Royal in Udaipur. And, you know, it's been an amazing hotel and quite a stay for us. But I wanted to take you and show you the rooftop and the pool. It is fabulous. So let's go look at the pool. And the pool is on the 6th floor, and there's an elevator to the 5th floor. You need to cover the last few steps by going up the stairs. And through the doors, and will you have a look at that, eh? Isn't that spectacular? So, quite a view up on the roof. And you can go up here for lunch or supper, too. Okay, nice. Well, this is the dessert bar, and they have some beautiful desserts. Look at those desserts. They're enough to make me get really fat. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Good.
One of my favorite foods, and it comes with mint sauce, and I love mint sauce.
This is beautiful. And I'll add. Oh wow!
Yeah.
For larger private parties.
Yeah, like for 18 to 20, she's the bakery lady.
Oh,
Like
nice!
she's a pastry chef.
I love pastry. Oh, see?
And that day she's the only one who just make it the fresh pastry for you.
Okay.
Then she serve it to you.
And can I just say thank you so much for everything? You really made our stay here special.
No, it's my job. Thank you so much for staying. It's been a long time.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Packing. This is the first time I could pack. When we went from Mumbai to Udaipur, I couldn't pack. I was so out of it. And so this way, I mean, Dean's out for a walk right now, and I can do a bit of packing, one-handed. Really is amazing when you can't use a hand, how you try to adapt. So I decided I can put clean clothes in this packing cube, and then I can put dirty clothes in that one, so that it's easier for Dean to know which ones are clean. And in this one, I'm going to put things I can't wear anymore until my arm is healed. Yeah, it's been quite a journey. This is the best I have felt since I had my fall 16 days ago, and I've had surgery. Oh.
Hello, hello. I